Hi, this is Izabela Cruz, reporting from sunny California, UD headquarters. I'm here today to share with you the routine that I have for my complexion to make sure that's gonna be perfect for any time, for any occasion. So let's get started. One of my must-haves is quick fix. Self-adjusting is my best friend. It's easy, I just apply with my fingers. I like kind of giving me a massage, so I'm doing movements like 3 times on the cheeks, forehead, and I lift it up my face. And then I'm ready to apply my foundation to make my skin look very real. I use 2 drops of the drop shot, mixing together with my all-nighter. I go in number 6. I love this J.Lo golden skin. My favorite product is Naked Shape Shifter. It's everything you need in one palette. You have the cream and the powder side. And I start always with the banana shade, which gonna set the places where I'm gonna put the darker shade of the contouring palette. I usually mix the bronzer color with the more deep brown to create a nice and smooth effect. And I use a lot of the highlighter to put on top of the high points of my face, on the points of the nose. I like to highlight the edges of my eye. I love to use a Naked Flush and Nooner. That's my shade. I think that's the perfect shade for pink. So I use first just on the apples of my cheeks. I usually do this funny smile, and the left of the brush I kind of blend backwards. And then to finish, you blend or not have a highlighter, and then you have a blusher, and then the contouring. I kind of lie down with the brush on the 3 colors, and I blend the whole area. It makes everything more soft, comes together. I use all-nighter setting spray. I really do this zigzag just to make sure that the eye makeup is still on place. So this is my final complexion look. I hope you have enjoyed and hope to see you all soon. Bye!